So this part of the question have to do with algebra, particularly multiplication of a bracket. So here we have to solve the equation in A. What that means, we have to end with A equal a specific number. So I'm saying, okay, where is A? A is in the bracket is multiplied by 5, so I need to do that multiplication, and then I have A on the other side. So let's do first multiplication. 5 multiplied by A is just 5 multiplied by A. 5 multiplied by -3 in calculator -15. And then we copy the other side of the equation. Now, where am I going? I want to have A on one side, numbers on the other side. So that 2A we're going to move to join the other A, and then -15 we're going to move to join 7. So this side of the equation we have 5A, we move 2A. What happens when we move number from one side to the other side of the equation? It changes the sign to the opposite. So positive becomes negative. This side of the equation we have 7. Now we take 15, we move to the other side, and the same. And -15 becomes +15. Now, the 2A have to become 1A. So 5 minus 2, that will be 3. And then we can add up numbers on the other side of the equation as well, or not. We want A, not 3A means 3 multiplied by A. How do we eliminate multiplication? By dividing both sides of the equation, because 3 divided by 3, that is 1, and 1 multiplied by A is A. And we put that in the calculator, we press equal, and we get is 22/3. We can leave it in a fraction form. Fraction are good numbers. They are not bad numbers, and we don't have to change every fraction into a decimal, especially that here we don't have any terms and condition of our answer.